Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So our small tree clearing and building demolition job is finished. Get the machine moved out. We were able to give the trees back to the neighbors where they came from. Took the building to Mike Castile. And this job's a wrap. Just a perfect application for the Kubota extreme duty root grapple. You can see the space we had to get through. There was about 6 inches on either side of us, but it did just what we needed it to. Macario's going to get the gate put back. T-Olive's got a little scrapes, but I think that's good for them. House perfectly clean, and the truck is loaded. So that's how we do it. If you've got lot clearing, grading, any type of excavation work, please give us a call. We can handle it for you. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.